ka Jingshlei hakeleng ki benta jong karilum Garo kanang beteng. Hakaba bon ki yang kisam kila Shah penjulor bat sangut ki beri kila doe la ka jing ha ka jing wan shop jong ki bor kamariang. Menteri Ketenaga Revenue and Disaster Management uba kermen Jylla ulai thu ba kani ke Jingshlei harilum Garo kalak takjur ya palat khan riu lakngut ki Nongshong Shnong bat sangut gila doe la ka jing bat ka sarkar kan ai mar saulak tengka seki bahayeng asem ki bala do yela ki ba ye baton na ka Jingshlei Uyatu bagi dan kumbah news pak lai pesan teligi Shnong ha ka Jylla ki bala Ktah na ka jingwan len shop jong ka bor mariang nadu ka siterik ubena yeyong ha ka ba khat lai ngut ki bri ki la mensau bat kumbah 8,000 lai spak khat nyau teli ki long yeng ki la julor bat ka sarkar kla ajing yarap ru ki long yeng do khau udai ko umpanyang ata kamlu chini ki jan ki tiar ba ki Upentip baka sarkar kala buru ya ki relief camp na ka bentar kitu ki bela do ile ki sem. Wala ka kala kham hiar hendai ulo ong baki pat ba kim de ben kinsting na mar kala ban ki biang na ka jingyai biteng ka jinghap slap. Uba kermen uyatu baki jaka kum kasal sela pulbari bat raja bala kila Shah ta jurba na ka Jingshlei bat lada ka state disaster response force ka don kam me ki jingyarap ka sarkar kan sa tho Shah ka sarkar pedeng ban pha ya ka kunhun NDRF bakin wan yarap lem.
Brief a little bit regarding with the situation which arise in Meghalaya, which we have seen from time to time. This heavy flood has been occurred, especially in parts of Garo Hills, those low line of Garo Hills. So today I have a report which I would just like to highlight a little bit that there are lives which lost. So we have around 5 numbers of dead as per the report which we have got from the DC. So we have 5 dead. We are trying our very best in terms of giving any help from our side, but things seems to be very much affected. That I request each and everyone to be alert and do take care of yourself. Our chief ministers, he declared for the ex gratia for those persons who have lost their life, 4 lakh each. At present, so which we cannot give you the details regarding with this flood, because we have to wait till the end of this flood. Now it's still continuing. So by the end of this, then we have to compile and then send it all the details, the reports to STMA, and after that, we will get to know what is the exact affected amount in our state.